This following video was requested by my best friend, Cyan Animate. Subscribe to his channel and enjoy.
What an awesome day. I hope my friends are doing fine in their houses.
It sure is. Let's say a funny message to you and Ed. Ready?
Of course we are. Go.
Discount Linus Tech Tips.
Wow. Where did you learn that funny message from?
I think it was from Musical Cooper's YouTube channel. Go and search
Discount Linus Tech Tips.
We knew it. It was really funny.
Discount Linus Tech Tips. Discount Linus Tech Tips.
Ha 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 ha. That was very funny to say that. You know, I will add a funny message for every video that I'm making for your requests.
Best idea ever. My friend.
I will ring the doorbell on Waleed's house without letting him know. That will be hilarious. Ha 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 ha.
Someone rang the doorbell. I will see if someone outside. Is someone here? I thought someone rang the doorbell in my house and then he ran away. Who could it be?
Who rang the doorbell?
I don't know who it is. We need to figure it out. By the way, Cyan, why didn't you enjoy with me on StreamYard?
Because my Wi-Fi connection is slow down. Don't worry. I am sure I will join on StreamYard with you.
It's okay. I will give you more chances for joining me on StreamYard. Understand?
I understood. You are a great friend. I like you with my awesome brother Waleedarix.
Thank you. I will feature you to my videos along with Elias D, Alexander Painton, Gaming Master, Selena, Samcraft 10, Super Yoshi Anthony, Tiger Boy 9566, and the Blue Boy 5.
Thank you, Waleed. You are the greatest user ever.
With pleasure.
Ha 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 ha. That was a funny prank. Let's do it again.
What? Not again. How dare he do that again? He will be arrested if this attitude carries on.
Who's that?
My friends. We knew who rang the doorbell and ran away. It was Eduardo.
Is that true? He will be arrested if he rang your doorbell again.
Eduardo. I can't believe you rang the doorbell on Waleed's house 4 times without letting him know. That is not a funny prank. You are arrested. I will tell Timo Animate on you.
Eduardo, you're arrested for ringing Waleed's house 4 times. I will take you to the prison. There. You are staying here until you learned your lesson. What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm sorry, Timo Animate. I will not do that again. I promise.
I'm sure you are. But That's not going to cut it. Waskin beton waskin beton waskin beton waskin beton waskin beton waskin beton